Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are well and fine and doing good and great. Greetings are more important before starting the video or before anything else because your health is more important and I hope so you are watching this video with good health. God bless you all. Stay blessed, stay happy, and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my latest videos that I share to my channel daily. I know you are waiting of my video that I am sharing today. So, guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your another favorite topic. Today I am presenting beautiful bob haircut ideas with different bobs like graduate bobs, undercut bobs, for thin hairs, for thick hairs, for layered bobs haircut ideas with bangs, without bangs, with graduate haircut ideas, with bob haircut ideas, with pixie bob haircut ideas, with layered bob haircut ideas, with wolf haircut ideas. You can select your favorite one with one of your fashion hair color as well. I am presenting all the beautiful haircut and hairstyles with bob haircuts with fashion hair color as well. These all bob haircuts are really amazing, gorgeous, outstanding, mind-blowing and fantastic that will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. These all hairstyles are really classy, amazing and according to the upcoming fashion of 2025 as well, and girls, young girls, outgoing girls, celebrities and models also getting these hairstyles these days. I am presenting all those hairstyles that will inspire you and also going on trending. These bob haircut ideas of bob haircut, pixie bob haircut, with chin length, with short length, with fashion hair color, for thick hairs, for thin hairs. These are all ideas that will solve your problem if you are watching and searching for the video that what kind of haircut will suit you according to your hair texture, then this video will solve your all problems because I am making this video and presenting with video with all the and according to the all hairstyles and hair texture ideas. If you have thin hair, then I am sharing all the hairstyles. You can select your favorite and according to your choice and personality as well. And these all hairstyles are really amazing that will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. After getting these hairstyles, you will be ready to go anywhere, anytime, like public places, weddings, shows, receptions, fashion shows, to anywhere where you want to go. You can go casually and formally and informally as well.